it's me, Sanya. I'm in 10th grade. I brought my own poem. I'm sure you'll love that one. A beautiful mother. You are a beautiful mother, my dear mother. You mean everything to me, my beautiful mother. You understand me, you guide me, my wonderful mother. You teach me everything, my mother. You are the mother, not something other. My mother is the best mother than other. My mother stands for me in every weather. You are the most beautiful mother. Be always with me, my mother. My mother is the beautiful mother. Thank you.
Hi Aksa, tell me what is your mother's name?
Her name is Nahida.
What is her occupation?
She is a homemaker.
Whom do you love the most?
I love my mother the most because she is my best friend and she is my guide, and she loves me the most.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome.
Assalamu alaikum to all the viewers. It's me Muqaddas Rashid, student of class 9 and a proud member of a budding Glow family. You are my mom and only my mom, and I will always have a special space for you in my heart. I am also proud to be your kid. We should thank our mother for being the constant support and guide what we are today.
Hi Hayan, what is your mother's name?
My mother's name is Ruby.
What is her age?
She is 35 years old.
What is her occupation?
She is a housewife.
Why do you love her?
Because she gives me strength whenever I lost my confidence, and she loves me the most.
Thank you.
Welcome.
आज मैं आप सबके सामने मदर्स डे पे एक कविता बोलने जा रही हूँ जिसका शीर्षक है माँ। माँ, माँ अगर तुम ना होती तो मुझे समझाता कौन। माँ अगर तुम ना होती तो मुझे समझाता कौन। कांटों बड़ी मुश्किल राह पर चलना सिखाता कौन। कांटों बड़ी मुश्किल राह पर चलना सिखाता कौन। माँ अगर तुम ना होती तो मुझे समझाता कौन। माँ अगर तुम ना होती तो मुझे लोरी सुनाता कौन। माँ अगर तुम ना होती तो मुझे लोरी सुनाता कौन। खुद जागकर सारी रात चैन की नींद सुलाता कौन। माँ अगर तुम ना होती तो मेरा हौसला बढ़ाता कौन। माँ अगर तुम ना होती तो मेरा हौसला बढ़ाता कौन। नारी की तीनों शक्ति से मुझे परिचित कराता कौन। नारी की तीनों शक्ति से मुझे परिचित कराता कौन। माँ अगर तुम ना होती तो मुझे समझाता कौन। माँ अगर तुम ना होती तो मुझे समझाता कौन।
Happy Mother's Day to all.
As we all know, today's Mother's Day, our mothers are like Scotty blankets to us because she saves us from all the problems and never regards her own problems and listens to us all the time. My mother is a pillar of my family. A child's life is nothing without a mother. May Allah bless all the mothers. Stay home, stay safe. Happy Mother's Day.
Friends, I'm Sajid Kaur. First of all, I wish a happy Mother's Day to all the lovely mothers in this world. The mother is a lovable and adorable person in this world. Her good wishes and prayers are always with her children. She only gives and never wished anything in back. The love and care of mother cannot be compared to anything in this world. My mother is my first teacher, first guide and best friend. She always helped me to take right decision in difficult situations. Dear mother, you are only one, and I will have a special space in my heart for you. And I always be proud to be your daughter, mother. Thank you.
Hi, it's me Harleen from 10th grade and I am here to deliver a poem written by me on my dear mother. So let's start. My dear mother, you are the most sweetest than other. You hold my hand in every weather. You protect me from evils of other. I can't compare your love with someone other. No one is like you, dear mother. You love me the most than anyone other. How can I explain your love, my dear mother? You are the symbol of love and care for other. We will be together forever, my dear mother. Thank you.
Today it's me, Hayaunisa, and I'm going to dedicate a small poem for my mother, to Mom. No matter how many times we argue, how many times I don't understand you, and how many times I got scolded by you, but I still think that you are the best and will be always the greatest mom in the whole world wide. I love you, Mom. Love you always. Your stubborn child, Haya from class 7th green.
Assalamu alaikum. Today I have prepared a speech for Mother's Day. Mothers are trainers, educators, creators, and whatnot. Celebrating one particular day is just symbolic. Otherwise, mothers deserve the whole year. The Prophet Muhammad said, "May Allah peace May Allah's peace blessings upon him. Your heaven lies under the feet of your mother. Second, a man come to the prophet, said, O messenger of God, who among the people is the most worthy of my good companionship? The prophet said, your mother. The man said, then who? The prophet said, then your mother. The man further asked, then who? The prophet said, then your mother. The man asked again, then who? The prophet said, then your father. Thank you.
Welcome to all of you. Myself Munib bin Rashid. And I am Madiha bint Rashid. Today we both are here to represent some points on Mother's Day. Mother's Day is a day to show love and respect to our mothers. You are more beautiful than our praise. I love our family and I love my mom. Wishing you a happy Mother's Day.
You are the best. You are amazing. It's true. Thank you for everything. Happy Mother's Day to you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I am going to recite a poem for my mother. I made a card for my mother. My mother is a walking miracle. She fills my day with rainbow lights. A kiss to wipe away my tears. I thank you for your tender cares, for deep warm hugs and being there. I hope that when you think of me, a part of you, you will always see. Happy Mother's Day. I love you, Mama. Bye.
I am Toiba Manzoor from class 6th Blue. First of all, I wish a happy Mother's Day to all the mothers in this world. A mother is the most adorable and lovable person in this world. Her praise and good wishes are always with their children. The love and the care of a mother cannot be compared anything in this world. Thank you again.
Assalamualaikum, it's me Tash on behalf of Silka. I love my mother since I opened my eyes. Everybody needs someone on whom you mean the world to me, and I really love my mom. Happy Mother's Day to all of you. Thank you.
I'm going to recite a poem for my mother. Her hands took me gently from the day I took my first breath. Her hands helped me to guide me from the day I took my first step. Her hands held me close when the tears would start to fall. Her hands were quick to show me that she would take care of it all. I love you more than you see. You have always been there when I needed you to be. Love you, Mom. Happy Mother's Day. Thank you.
Happy Mother's Day, Ami. I love you.
Assalamu alaikum to all the viewers. It's me Aisha Bahar, a student of Bunny Globe family, our mother, who's always next to our heart. She's always near us, no matter what the situation is. She's the ocean of love. Mothers are the most important person in everyone's life. She knows her children really well. Mothers are the first teacher of her children. Our Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon, said, "Your heaven lies under the feet of your mother." On this day, we should salute her for her undoubted sacrifices. At last, I would like to pray to Almighty Allah to keep my mother healthy, happy, and hidayat us to love, care, and respect our mothers. Thank you, and once again, Happy Mother's Day.
Mother's Day teaches us to respect and love our mothers. She is the one to always support you whenever required. On this day, you should make your mother feel proud and happy. Mother's Day is the day when we get a chance to show our gratitude towards our mothers.
Good afternoon. I'm Nausheen. Happy Mother's Day. You are the best mother. I love you. Thank you.
My mother's name is Shamima Shafiq. She is my best friend. Mothers are the most important part of our life. She cared and loved us their entire life. She is one who teaches us how to walk, how to talk, how to speak, and how to eat. She is the backbone of family. Mother's Day is very important day for all the sons, daughters, and all the mothers. We need to celebrate this day and spread love everywhere. Thank you.
I wish you happy Mother's Day for all the lovely mothers in the world. Mother are the most important part in our life. My mother is my best friend and my first teacher. The mother word indeed small, but feelings and importance are very big. The mother is the only person on this earth who delicious whole life of the children. Hence, we should always respect and care of our mother. I feel blessed that have got an opportunity to thank my mother for all the efforts she has taken to raise me into what I am today.
There is no love like a mother love. No stronger bond on the earth like the precious word that comes from God to our mother when she gives birth. A mother's love is forever strong and ever changing for all time. When her children need her most, a mother's love will shine. God bless these special mothers. God bless them everyone for all the tears and the heartache and for the special work they have done. Mothers are special because they work around the clock without any complaints to keep you happy. So it is correct to say that mothers are the best.
Hello everyone, as you all know, it's me Faiza and I'm going to recite a poem about mother. So the poem goes like: Since the day I was small, till the day I became tall, since I began understanding things, till the day I got my own wings, your love has not fallen short, you have been my support. My mother kept a garden of the heart. She planted all the good things that gave my life its start.
Hey, this is me Adeep Javid from class 9. My mother. I love my mother because she means a world to me. She has done a lot of things for me. She made a lot of sacrifices for me. She has raised me very well. She taught me how to speak and walk. She is my first teacher, my first friend. I am messy. I might get anxious sometimes. I may be weird sometimes. But my mother loves me for what I am, who I am, and however I am. That makes her the best person in my life. I love my mother as much as this limitless sky. I love my mom as much as the endless sea. I love my mother as much as there are stars in the sky. Thank you.
Youth fades, love droops, the leaves of friendship fall. A mother's great hope outlives them all. Mother is a word which fills everyone with emotions. Mother's love for her child certainly can't be compared with anything. A mother sacrifices her happiness for her child. Mothers are the emotional backbone of the family. They support everyone's feeling in a family. So, we should thank them for everything they do for us. Happy Mother's Day. Stay home, stay safe.
Assalamu alaikum to all the viewers. It's me Rayan Salam, student of class 7th from Budding Bloom Experimental School. Let me wish a very happy Mother's Day to all the mothers. A mother is a very important person in our life. I feel blessed that I have got an opportunity to thank my mother for all the efforts she has taken to raise me into what I am today. She has done a lot for me and she is still doing it. She still helps me in taking right decisions in difficult situations. So we all make sure that we make this day a very special day for our mothers.
Mother's Day.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Sami from class 1st. See my Mother's Day card. Happy Mother's Day. I love you, Mom. You are the best mom in the world. Thank you.
My name is Ashleen Kaur. I am class in 7th Blue. Today I would like to recite a poem on Mother's Day. Best friend forever, mom and me, picking flowers and climbing trees, a shoulder to cry on, secrets to share, warm hearts and hands, they really care. Happy Mother's Day, Mom.
I wish
Happy Mother's Day to all mothers in the world. A mother is the most honorable and lovable person in the world. Mother's Day is a very important day for all those sons, daughters and mothers in the world. Thank you.
Our mother are like a security blanket to us because she saves us from all problems. She never regards her own problems and listens to us all time. Mother is the epitome of love, care, support. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. Myself, Harleen Kaur, student of 7th class studying in Budding Bloom Experimental School. I wish a happy Mother's Day to all the lovable person in the world. A mother is the most adorable and lovable person in the world. Her praise and God wishes for always there with her children. She only gives and never wishes to have anything back. The love of and care of a mother cannot be compared to anything in this world.
Hello everyone, it's me Ashmeet Kaur, studied in class 8 from Budding Bloom Experimental School. Today I am here to present us a few lines on Mother's Day. It is very true to say that the first teacher, philosopher, guide and the friend for everyone is their mother. She is the one who holds the hand and teaches us to walk. She is the one who teaches us to speak and write. We should thank our mothers for being the constant support and guide for what we are today. Let us make this day memorable for the love of life, the mother. With this, I would like to take some opportunities to thank my mother for everything she has done for me. And also much thanks to my teachers, because for me, my teachers is like my mother.
Hello, my name is Harleen Kaur. Happy Mother's Day.
Mommy, make my world beautiful with your smile. Today I want you to know that I'm nothing without you. But I can be do everything with you and by my side. And happy Mother's Day.